Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel, checking out another review. Tonight's not going to be a review, but it's going to be my monthly unboxing of Alpha Outpost. Stay tuned. Welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the content. I really appreciate all the support still to this day. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all the support. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, after you watch it, hit that thumbs up. Tonight, we're going to bring you an unboxing of Alpha Outpost. If you are not familiar with Alpha Outpost, to sign up, your first box is $5. Anything therein after is $39.95. In each box, you get at least one item worth the price of the box per month. In my eyes, I've said it through all of my Alpha Outpost video unboxings. Each box has been worth it. These boxes are awesome. A lot of good stuff come in these boxes. This is my own personal opinion. This month's box is September's box, 2020. 2020 started out pretty bad with all the COVID and stuff, so they've been trying to just keep everything rolling, get back to normal pretty much. So without further ado, let me grab my knife, check, and let's unbox this. This month's box is called Lounge, I believe, or The Lounge. So let's get right to it. Trusty knife. Crack this open, and like as any unboxing that I do, what I see is I see first with you guys. So I do not know what's in the box. As you can see, it is still sealed. I just hope I don't cut anything in the box. And in every box, they have a piece of paper telling you what's in the contents inside the box. So this month is called The Lounge, which makes me think it's something you lounge around in. Just gonna spitball it there for a minute. So I'll grab this first, and this I do not know. Let's see. Let's crack this thing open. Alright. It's got it wrapped up pretty tight. And this looks like a chair. Yes, I believe this is a chair. And you get, there's where your butt goes, there's where your bottom goes, and of course these are probably the legs. The magic of video editing, I'll put a picture right here of what this looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool. That is the first item that was wrapped up pretty tight. Let me set this off to the side. The second item is, I don't know, you'd think this would be the chair. Let's see. What is this? Okay. This looks like a type of table, I want to say. There's the cup holders. Get that all on. It comes with legs also. And again, through the power of video editing, I'll put a picture right here of what this is. Pretty cool. That again was wrapped up pretty tight in this nice case. And of course, in every box, you get a nice super duper thick patch. And when I say thick, it is super thick. And the last item is, I don't quite know. I don't know what this is. Get it out of the package. This I'm not too sure. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments. But that part right there, you cock that back. You got the little trigger that's on the bottom. Nonetheless, everything in here is pretty awesome and will definitely get used by me or my family. We can always use an extra chair or extra table. I know up here in my studio that chair will come in pretty handy up here. This has been Alpha Outpost unboxing September 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Until next month, guys, we'll see you then. Peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.